economists and housing experts are struggling to rebuild the real estate market during the coronavirus crisis, while brutal falls in some regions predict drops of up to 13% across the UK. The prediction range of large researchers is significantly wider than normal. At one end, there is the Center for Economics and Business Studies, which predicts that 2020 prices will drop by 13%, where transaction deficit, high uncertainty, and falling income decrease. However, realtor Savills said that hitting the market could be as high as 5%, and 1/3 of valuation researchers estimates that price drops could be 4% or less. Jonathan Hopper, a Garrington Property Finder, said the post-crash market will be a buyer market, as it predicted a 10% drop in national and 15% in some regions. With an estimate released this week, Knight Frank said he expects a 7% drop in 2020, more than his previous forecast of 3%. Their analysis suggested that prices have fallen by 5% since March and further decline. Our opinion is that with the reopening of the market in the next 2 months, we think that the 5% decrease in the values we have seen since the end of March will occur in the pricing achieved, and there may be some downward pressure during the summer. It will be limited. Savings await short-term price declines between 5% and 10%. Zoopla says sales of nearly 400,000 homes stopped due to crash. However, for sellers holding a high price, there are some comfort crumbs from the auction market. Auction House UK, which has 36 auction rooms across the country, said sales are still at 60% of normal levels. We also see that many properties are sold well above the guide prices. In the past few weeks, 10 bidders have guided up to £375 to £553,000 by pushing a 3-bedroom terraced house in London. Most of the idea, comment, information, and criticism containing in these videos have been created by Daily News Report. Before making any important investment decision, use the information contained in these videos as a starting point for conducting your own research. If you make any investment or legal decision, it is advised to consult an expert before making this decision.